Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe downwards from the top of the screen twice, like this. Once you open the quick panel, swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here we have icon called Screen Recorder. Tap on it, allow the permissions for the audio. So I'm gonna tap on while using the app and allow the storage permission. And as you can see, we have this window right here. It's asking us if we want to start the record. Let's tap on Start Now, and this menu should appear on your screen right here. You can move this menu by pressing and holding on it. Oh, my bad, it's kind of hard to grab it. Pressing and holding on it, you can move it around. And on this menu we have a couple of buttons. We have Record, Settings, and Exit. If you want to record, simply tap on the record button, and as you can see, it's gonna start recording your screen. So let's move our screen around like this, and once you're done recording, you can tap on this menu right here. It's grayed out right now, barely visible. It's gonna appear, and you can tap on pause if you want to pause the recording, or stop to stop the recording and save it on your phone. You will get the notification that the recording was saved, and you can tap on it to view your recording if you want, like this. Okay, you can also tap on the settings icon right here to open the recorder settings, and here we can customize a couple of settings. We have video resolution. We can tap on it and select the resolution of recording, and we have different resolutions. Let's select the highest one. Next we have bitrate, and here we can select the bitrate of our recording. Tap on one to select it. Next we have frame rate. You can select it by tapping on one. Below we have audio source, and here we can select no audio, internal audio, or microphone. So if you select no audio, there will be no audio on your recording, basically no sound. If you select internal audio, only the sounds from your phone, so like something like music, sounds from your phone will be recorded, and microphone audio, your voice will be basically recorded if you want to. Below we have video orientation, and you have options like auto, landscape, and portrait. Next we have a hide floating widget. Basically, if you enable this option, this widget will disappear when you start the recording, as you can see. And to exit the recording, you need to open the quick panel, tap on the notification, and stop the recording by tapping on the stop button, like that. Okay. Here we have next option called Show Touch Operations. Basically, when you're recording the screen, you have this pointer whenever you touch your screen. Where you touch your screen, you have this pointer, and you can disable this option to make it not visible. So if we stop the recording, go to settings, disable this option, start the recording, now we won't have this pointer where we touch the screen. Okay. Next option is called pause recording when screen is off. So basically, if you're recording, I disabled it, my bad. So if you're recording, you can, and you lock the screen by pressing the power button, it will pause the recording. And you can wake up the screen, and it should resume. No, you need to tap on the record button right here to resume it, like this. Okay. And that's about it. That's how you customize this feature. And once you're done recording, you can also view your recordings in the gallery if you want, by going to gallery, go to collections, and you have screen recorder right here to view your recordings. Okay, and that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.